Have you ever experienced a sleep paralysis known as ghost pressing? When you experience sleep paralysis, you feel as if you are being pressed down by an invisible force, unable to move or speak, and may experience difficulty breathing or fear. Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about the mysteries of the human body, the brain. Although the human body is a masterpiece of biological engineering, there are still a great many unanswered questions. The human body continues to captivate and defy us, with mysteries ranging from how the brain functions to those related to aging. The most fascinating bodily enigmas will be discussed in this video, along with the significance of further research and understanding. The brain, which has trillions of connections and billions of neurons, is possibly the most complicated organ in the human body. The brain regulates all of our mental, emotional, and physical processes. It is made up of countless numbers of neurons, which cooperate to send electrical and chemical messages all over the body. Despite years of research, there are still many unresolved topics concerning the brain. How do we view the world around us, and what causes us to be self-aware? These issues continue to confound both philosophers and scientists. The human brain consumes about 20% of the body's energy, despite only accounting for approximately 2% of the body's weight. There is a very special part inside the brain called pineal gland. The pineal gland produces melatonin, which is a hormone that helps regulate sleep-wake cycles and other circadian rhythms in the body. Melatonin is produced in response to darkness and helps promote sleepiness at night. The pineal gland was referred to as the third eye in ancient Egypt and ancient China, and it was believed to have the power to predict the future, seeing stuff others can't see, and other supernatural powers. However, nowadays the power of the pineal gland has been degraded, and it is unknown what caused it. Have you ever experienced a child telling you they saw something, but when you went to look, there was nothing there? Some spiritually sensitive people's pineal glands aren't fully closed before the age of 7, but after that age, most people don't have that mysterious power anymore. Some believe the power of the pineal glands can be reopened. That's why there are a lot of people doing meditation practices tries to gain special ability. Charles Haanel wrote a well-known book called The Master Key System, where he also discussed meditation practices for training the mind. Just like how exercising at the gym can strengthen muscles, I believe that training the mind may not result in supernatural powers, but it can improve intelligence and cognitive speed. While the pineal gland has been associated with spirituality and mystical experiences in some cultures, although such beliefs are not based on empirical evidence and are not recognized by mainstream science. Some people have exceptional memory or mathematical abilities, while others have heightened senses like vision or hearing. These abilities can often be explained by differences in brain structure or function, or by intensive training and practice. However, there are also claims of supernatural abilities like telekinesis, precognition, and psychic powers. While some people may believe in these abilities, there is currently no scientific evidence to support them. The formation and retrieval of memories are still mysteries, with scientists still unsure how memories are recalled and why some memories fade while others remain vivid. The significance of dreams: everyone dreams, yet it's still not obvious what dreams are for. While some views contend that dreams have no meaningful function at all, others contend that they aid us in the processing of our feelings and memories. Ancient Egyptians have a book about dreams called the Book of Dreams. This book was a collection of dream interpretations. The book was composed of various symbols and their interpretations, and it was used to decipher the meaning of dreams in ancient Egyptian culture. Dream interpretation was a popular practice in ancient Egyptian society, and the Book of Dreams was an important tool for interpreting the meaning of dreams. Have you ever experienced a sleep disorder known as ghost pressing, also known as sleep paralysis? Typically happens at the beginning or end of sleep. When you experience sleep paralysis, you feel as if you are being pressed down by an invisible force, unable to move or speak, and may experience difficulty breathing or fear. Sleep paralysis is not a disease and typically doesn't require treatment, despite the fact that it can be extremely uncomfortable. How to overcome sleep paralysis? It is best to stay calm and attempt to relax your body as much as possible. You can try focusing on gradually and calmly moving larger muscle groups. While some individuals suggest that moving a small muscle or body part, such as the pinky finger, can help end the paralysis, it is more likely that any movement or muscle activity can help the brain to wake up and bring an end to the episode of sleep paralysis. There is a unique ability to control your dreams as known as lucid dreaming. Lucid dreaming is a type of dream in which the dreamer becomes aware that they are dreaming while they are still in the dream state. The dreamer has active control over and participation in the events and actions occurring in the dream during lucid dreams. Exploring the potentials of the dream world through lucid dreaming can be thrilling and enjoyable. It can feel extremely realistic and immersive. It is believed that lucid dreaming is a skill that can be developed and enhanced through a variety of methods and routines, including reality checks, meditation, and dream diaries. It's very hard to master lucid dreaming. There is still a lot we don't know about the brain, but some people have amazing memories or can do more than one thing at once. Others can reach higher levels of consciousness through meditation or other practices. The formation and retrieval of memories. Although the fundamental processes underlying memory formation are generally understood, the precise mechanisms at play remain a mystery. Scientists are also unsure how memories are recalled and why some memories fade while others remain vivid over time. The significance of dreams. Everyone dreams, yet it's still not obvious what dreams are for. While some views contend that dreams have no meaningful function at all, others contend that they aid us in the processing of our feelings and memories. The brain's potential and the mysteries of its undiscovered talents. Finally, there is still a lot to learn about the brain's potential and the potential powers it may possess. For example, some people are able to achieve remarkable feats of memory or multitasking, while others are able to tap into higher realms of consciousness through meditation or other disciplines. There may be much more untapped potential waiting to be uncovered because the mechanisms underlying these skills are still not completely understood. Ultimately, research is still needed to fully comprehend the brain's intricacies because it is still one of the human body's most fascinating and enigmatic organs. DNA is the genetic makeup that determines our features and qualities. Genetics is the study of how genes are passed down from one generation to another. Genetic testing and research can help identify and treat genetic illnesses, but the enigma surrounding inherited qualities and how they are transmitted is still unknown. Epigenetics is a relatively new field of research that could help solve this puzzle. Genetic engineering holds the promise of curing inherited diseases and preventing genetic problems, but ethical issues must be considered. The immune system is a complex network of cells, tissues, and organs that protects the body from hazardous organisms. It is essential for preserving general well-being and preventing sickness. The potential of immunotherapy and the enigmas surrounding its mechanisms are still being investigated. The microbiome, which is crucial for immune system performance and general health, has an impact on how the immune system functions and how people feel in general. Investigating the immune system's secrets can aid in the development of more effective cancer immunotherapy treatments, a better understanding of the microbiome's function, and a better understanding of autoimmune disorders. Aging is a natural process that results in a decline in mental and physical abilities. There are many unanswered questions about the process, such as how genetics affects aging, why some people age differently from others, the ethical ramifications of extending human life, and the promise of anti-aging medicines. Scientists are working to identify genes and create tailored medicines to slow down or reverse the aging process, but this raises moral concerns about the limitations of life extension and the possibility of uneven access to these treatments. The possible benefits of learning more about how people age must be weighed against ethical concerns. There are a lot of secrets hidden in the human body, and learning about them is fascinating and mind-blowing. We should approach these investigations with respect, humility, and awe. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.